Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to reset your Fundbox login. Did you forget your password or you got locked out of your Fundbox account? Well, don't worry. Resetting your login is simple and secure. Let me show you how. So first thing you got to do is to go to the Fundbox login page. That's at fundbox.com. And once you're there, you're going to click on Forgot Password underneath the login form. Now you got to enter the email address that's associated with your Fundbox account. Check your Fundbox for a password reset email from Fundbox. Once you have it, click the link and create a new password that meets security guidelines. And of course, you can log into your account using your updated credentials. That's your email address and the new password that you've just created. A pro tip is to use a strong password manager to generate and store strong passwords. Also, you want to enable two-factor authentication for much better security, because that's going to help you out for unauthorized access to your accounts. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.